What is up guys, welcome to Solo MC Rider. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video I will be testing out my Denali Ken Smart, my Denali fog lights, auxiliary lights, and the brake light setup I have completed on my last video. So if you guys watch my or follow my channel, you have probably seen my last video that I installed this Denali system on this bike, and I made a video on this and tested out a little bit on when I installed it. But in this video I'll be going in depth and testing on the real world and tell you guys the purpose or the reason I installed this lighting on this BMW S1000XR, and we'll be taking out on the road and testing it out, see the improvement it has increased in terms of safety wise at night or during the daytime on this bike. So without any further ado, let's get on the road, talk about it, what is the reason I have installed these lights, and what do you expect from this expensive system that you can install on your BMWs. So the as you can see on the video, like I have my two of the fog light, the Denali ones, my OEM fog light, and the daytime running light is on all the time. It's always on. When I blink or flash 3 times, it does a strobe effect thing, and also does the same with when you use the horn. The sun is setting right in front of me. Looks beautiful. Look at the bright orange color. I need to get gas as well. Anyway, so what I was saying, on the road, so now I'm a lot more visible with all the lights on. And since I installed those lighting and the lighting and any close call I have, or if somebody is switching lane on me, just give it one honk or doing a couple flash, they immediately can notice. And so many times I see people just notice me because I'm next to them or passing them. Like before they switch lane, they can actually see on their mirror there is a bike on the side of them or next to them. So yeah, it's the safety improvement it's a big plus. I guess can't tell you any better than that. By riding it in the real world with all the lights on, it's a totally different thing. Game changer. In the daytime when I'm braking, it's strobing, and when I'm stopping a stoplight as well, you will continue to blink as long as I'm holding down the brakes. And yeah, so it's a pretty good safety feature, which I like, because you know, if you're on a stoplight, especially here in the States, people don't pay attention because everybody's distracted on the phone or something. So with that light pulsing at them, they can see that somebody is there. So that's really a benefit of having that light pulsing when you are standing still. And then I can go on some nighttime driving. As you can see, at the nighttime it does very good job as well. And these lights are very bright. The fog light comes on full brightness when I do the high beam. So if you have your brights on at night, you get 100% brightness versus 50% if you just when it's running at all time. But that's all that settings can be changed on the app. Just plug in your computer and you can change to anything that you like, 10%, 20%, 30%, or 100% at all time. Whatever you think your heart desire, you can change it to. So that's pretty cool. And the brake light is the main safety thing. And the thing about the brake light is, whenever you're riding the bike and you are cruising speed and all of a sudden you are slowing down without braking, so the light comes on, like it gives you like 3 pulses or 3 blinks that you are slowing down. So the engine braking works with the slowing down of the bike when you are riding, and that's kind of another safety thing. Like most of us riding bikes, we do engine braking a lot, and especially when you're driving the bike on a dynamic pro settings, the engine braking is pretty strong, so you are using less brake when you're slowing down. And in that case, that brake light comes on. Soon as you let the throttle go, you have the light blinks before the brake light, before you apply brake to the bike. So that's a really good feature. I really like that. Even if you are downshifting, it's going to blink. If you are slowing down, it's going to blink. And if you are emergency braking as well, of course it's going to blink like a hazard light. So it's really good feature, and I have this on all the time. So when I apply the brake, the light will just continue blink until I release the brake. So this is one of the things that I like, because I feel like when you're stopping on a stoplight, people behind you, if they're like coming towards you and if they're not paying attention, and if the light is not blinking, then they're less likely to pay attention to you. So it's a good feature to have, is always pulsing or blinking when you have the brake hold on to the bike. So things that I added on this bike, the safety wise, is the brake light, the third brake light, and then some fog light on the front. Even though I have an OEM fog light, they're pretty bright, but those just gives a little bit more brightness to my liking. So if you can see the night riding that I have done with my 360 mounted and showing you, it's pretty good brightness. So I'm really enjoying this setup, even though they are not cheap setup, which is okay because I did not have to splice anything, any setting, anything, any wiring on this bike to install that module. So it was pretty straightforward. Just plug in the module and then run the wires and tidy them up, and that was it. So I just wanted to come out, give you guys a quick overview of the safety increase on this bike using those Denali system, the Ken Smart, and this brake light, and those two fog lights or auxiliary light on the front, and just to give you guys an overview. So if you guys want to see how I install the setup, you can go watch my other video. I'll have the link up there. And as you can see, like, what was the safety concern I had, and I added this light, I feel a little bit better. So this was it for this video. Like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Peace out. What is up, guys? Welcome to Solo MC Rider. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I will be, come on, clean every time.